Hi everyone! Tank testing day! Yes, the last iteration of the mini tank was finished like a month ago or so. That's a lot of time. And well, I finished it. I put the remaining links on the tracks. And I did a test with the motors and I realized that the motor brackets were broken. And I did print new ones. And I also realized that those new ones weren't good enough because those VSCs are extremely powerful, too powerful I would say. And I did a few tests in the shop and I realized that the motor brackets were not printed correctly. I did a new print and then I did another test with those VSCs and those motors and those batteries. That's too powerful. I saw a bracket being broken in half in a snap just by the sheer power of the motors. So I went back to those little VSCs for cars that I've used so many times because I think that's what's going to make this test successful. So we are here again, 1 hour drive up to this huge beach, and let's see what we can achieve. So here we are. I hope that you can hear me through the sound of the sea behind you. Today is the day this thing is going to work and I'm going to record it with everything that I have. Let's do it! Let's do it! Come on! What do you think? It works! It works! What do you think? It even drifts! And it climbs and it spins and it goes forward and backward. This is awesome! Come on! Do you like it or what? How cool was that? Come on! But I will tape a camera on top of it now. say that it works, right? This is how we make castles in my town. This is how we do it. That's it. It just cannot grip anymore, but that's a pretty deep hole. Let's see if we can get out of there. Yes, yes we can. I think that I made it work. Never give up, never. So that's it. I think it works. I think I've demonstrated that fully. I will try to make some files so you can buy them on my website or something like that. I still haven't thought of it, but I will do something. And you know what this means? This means that the next step is to make the big tank with the seat and everything. Yes, that's it. So thanks a lot for everything, liking, sharing, commenting on my videos. Thanks a lot for your Patreon support. With your support, I can do this thing of not giving up and keeping at it until it works. So thank you sincerely. Thank you guys. Please consider supporting me on Patreon so I can keep doing this crazy stuff. And now please go and make something!